Hi, this is Sarah from cheapaccommodation.com.au. The hotel of the week recommended by Cheap Accommodation is Gold Coast International Hotel, located in Surfers Paradise, Australia, 50 meters from the beach, 500 meters from Cable Avenue, 2 kilometers from Jupiter Casino. The rooms are very comfortable with AC and nice furnishings. They are very clean and serviced daily. The views are wonderful and they are certainly a highlight of the room. So if you are after a clean, well-presented hotel room with a wonderful view in a good location and for a good price, then GCI is the hotel you want at the Gold Coast. Here you also get rooms at a reasonable price of only $209. So to know more about Gold Coast International Hotel, you can anytime visit our website at cheapaccommodation.com.au. Thank you. Have a nice day.